Here we go. So it looks like we have a nice vacant lot right in this particular area. So let's model out and see what the best potential use case is on an industrial side for this particular site. So what we're going to do is select our Draw Parcel tool. Let's just draw in this nice space here, our border. You can really draw it right to, there we go. Next step is we're going to select this parcel. Now keep in mind, you could do this for one parcel. We could actually subdivide this and draw numerous parcels. You could actually draw one parcel and then copy it and create a subdivision of sorts, and then do an assemblage if that's something that you're interested in, especially on the multifamily side. But for the industrial, we just draw our one parcel where we selected it. We can actually even do a street view just to get a feel and understanding of our surroundings for this particular area. But here we go. We're going to go into preliminary underwriting, and now we're going to select industrial, and let's just do an FAR of 2. And the 3D model will automatically be generated for you, and I will walk you step by step through the process of optimizing this particular site, and again, trying to understand the best use case as we go through this particular iteration. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure our setbacks for lot coverage is 50%. So we actually have our setbacks right here. We can adjust accordingly with the slider. There we go. We're at 50%. Let me zoom in a bit for you. You can see the setbacks are now in place. We can now drop down to our adjust assumptions panel and start to adjust the assumptions accordingly. And let's see, we can adjust our industrial gross buildable. Right now we're at 57,000 square feet.